real quick? No? Can I talk to you? No. No? No. You don't want to talk to you? No. I'm in the middle of a workout. Negative me ID. You're not welcome in here. Negative me ID? Get the f*** out. You want to do it like this? I want to do it like this. Okay.
What you got going on? This dude?
Yeah, I walked in and, you know, he's like, the f*** out of here. I'm like, all right, you want to listen? You want to turn your music down?
This big ass dude?
Hell yeah. He pushed me out.
He pushed you out the gym?
Pretty much, he was like walking me out. And he's like, I'm not giving you shit.
You do not sit here in front of my motherfucking gym and cause fucking disturbance. No, f*** you.
Calm down.
Don't fuck with me.